Mohammedkalyi Abylgaziev, Prime Minister, distinguished members of cabinet, members of state institutions, colleagues from the United Nations system, good morning. Excellency, your presence here this morning and that of your entire cabinet is clearly reflective of the commitment of your government to the full realization of the national development agenda. But it does also reflect the very active role that Kyrgyzstan played, both in the national consultations on the SDGs, but also in the final adoption of that momentous document. The visit of this interagency United Nations MAPS mission, therefore, it's important for several reasons. The first is that Kyrgyzstan is charting its own development pathway through three critical instruments: the Draft National Development Strategy 2040, the Program on Trust, Unity and Creation, and the Strategy on the Development of the Regions. Excellency, what all three documents show is a country in search of a new direction, given the very complex global development landscape, the challenges and opportunities of a 6 million population, a landlocked country that is surrounded by countries that themselves have also significant economic opportunities. Kyrgyzstan is therefore at an important crossroads in its history. First, it has a young population that is eager to see the dividends of development. Second, it has started a national project on democracy that is unique in this region, which needs to be consolidated and strengthened. Third, new players are emerging in the region which provide different attractions to international financial capital. Fourth, it urgently needs new revenue streams that can enable it meet not only the aspirations of the people, but the very excellent initiatives and programs of the government that Excellency have just enumerated. Fifth, remittances as a significant resource. Remittance is a significant resource stream, but we all know that it's quite fickle, as it ebbs and flows based on circumstances that are external to Kyrgyzstan. Sixth, this wonderful country has tremendous resource opportunities that have to be exploited to enable the country realize its national development aspirations. The good news, Excellency, is that these challenges are not unique to Kyrgyzstan. Many countries around the world are confronted by similar challenges. So the key is to embrace the future with determination, with optimism, and with commitment. The speech of His Excellency the President to Parliament 2 days ago is clearly indicative of the determination and commitment of government to addressing these issues, and the statement you just made now, Excellency, is also very exemplary of where your government is headed to enable Kyrgyzstan to realize its development aspirations. So it does mean that there are hard choices ahead and tough decisions to make, and therefore we can't delay too much. As the United Nations system, our key role is accompaniment, as companions to governments, national institutions, and national organizations. Our role is to combine our global presence, our unique experience in providing the best possible solutions to national development challenges, and then to offer advice and recommendations to our national counterparts, governments, and other groups. And that was why we deployed this mission at your request. So thank you very much, Excellency, for requesting the mission. We have had important meetings, as you have highlighted, Excellency, with broad sectors within government and in non-state actors. This consultation with Cabinet today will hallmark the consultations. We are therefore looking forward eagerly to an executive discussion that will be based on the report of the mission once it is submitted to us in the coming days. Finally, Excellency, I wish to reassure you and the government and to restate on behalf of the UN system our commitment to Kyrgyzstan in its development aspirations and our desire to support the national agenda on structural economic and social transformation, the consolidation of peace, justice, human rights, and democracy in the country. Chambakman.